Hey guys, Tony here. I just wanted to come on here and talk about stamps.com and how it just had this ridiculous increase in price. Um, Today, absolutely abnormal. And then, I mean, just on this, you would have gotten like 100%, almost 100% on shares, right? But the crazy part is, I don't think I've ever seen. I'm sure it happened to today's calls, right? But I don't think I've ever seen I don't think I've ever seen 1,000,000% gain in my life. And I saw it for the first time, which are these 222 and a half calls that expire July 16th. I've never seen 1,000,000% gain in my life. This basically means that you had a 10,249x, which would basically be you buying these at like a dollar or like a cent, and then go and yeah, like a dollar, no, like a cent. Yeah, you basically buying these at like a cent, at 1 penny, and that turning into $10,000. So you're basically putting in a buck and you're getting over $10,000 return. Absolutely insane. Even if you like, what about a month out? Let's say like around a month out, right? You would have still seen something ridiculous. Like, look at that. Something ridiculous like 253%, like 1,000% gain, 300%. But again, I've never seen this before. The 225, what is it called? The 225, the 222, 222 and a half calls, over 1,000,000% gain. Somebody bought these, man. Somebody bought these somewhere, and someone just made 10 grand by betting a dollar. Fucking insane, dude.